Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiana Nicole. Today I will be unboxing my Geiger Kensington XXL metallic gold shoulder bag. And so a couple weeks ago I went to Dillard's. I went to the Geiger section. And I want to mention I discovered Geiger maybe about 2 years ago. I wanted a bag, but for some reason I forgot all about it. So now here we are. But like I said, I went to Dillard's 2 weeks ago. So I walked over to the Geiger section, and I had looked at a few bags online. I knew I wanted to, I was interested in a couple of black bags, maybe a gray one. But when I walked over and I saw this bag, this color, it just stood out to me immediately. So let me show you what I got. So the bag came in this black dust bag. It says Geiger London on it. So let me take this bag out. Look at this bag. Do you see how pretty this bag is? This bag is gorgeous. And it has this gold eagle head on it. Let me move back slow so you can get a good look. Here's the side. The bottom. It has no feet on the bottom. And I'm going to show you the back. Look at the back. It says Geiger London down there. It's a double handle. And then the hardware on here is gold. As you can see, I haven't even taken the plastic off yet. This is such a pretty bag. Look at that. Let me move this back a little bit. Here it is on my shoulder. It looks really good with my burnt orange duster. I could have wore this today, huh? And then you can also turn it into one strap. You pull it down. And then here, one strap. But I most likely will wear it double. I know I won't wear it crossbody. It's just way too big for me. I wouldn't never wear it crossbody. I have seen people wear it crossbody, but I won't be wearing it crossbody. Here you open it. It's a flat bag. So here you have the fasteners, one on each side. If you just close it and press down, it snaps. So now I'm going to open it back up. And I'm going to show you the inside. The first flap. Like I said, I still have all the paper in there. It says Geiger London. I am leather. And then in here on the inside, it says Geiger all over the bag. If you can see that. And there's another pocket here. It's just such a gorgeous bag. I can't wait to carry it. So I'm sure you would like to know the price of this bag. So this bag was $345 plus tax, made it $372.60. $400 for a luxury bag. This is very nice. I'm going to take a picture with the bag, and I'm going to try to insert the picture at the video. But once again, I just want to thank everyone for watching, and I'll catch you on my next unboxing.